Hello everyone and welcome back. You probably still wrap gifts in the usual way that most people do. You place the gift in wrapping paper, adjust it carefully, and then fold the edges to keep everything in place. In general, this method works well and it does not take much time or effort. It helps you finish quickly, especially when you have many gifts to prepare. However, if we are honest, this way of wrapping often feels quite repetitive and lacks personality. If you want to be more creative and make your present feel more special, let me show you one new way to wrap a gift that is simple, fresh, and much more interesting. First, we need to measure the length of the wrapping paper so it fits properly with the gift box we are going to wrap. Make sure the paper is long enough to cover the box neatly without leaving too much excess. Now that we know the correct length of the wrapping paper, fold the paper back onto itself to create a clear crease line. This fold will help us get a clean and accurate edge. Next, cut away the extra paper by following the fold line you just made. Finally, take double-sided tape and place it carefully along the edge of the wrapping paper, keeping it close to the border so it stays hidden when we seal the gift. In the next step, place the gift box in the center of the wrapping paper. Fold the bottom edge of the paper upward and adjust it so the width matches the width of the bottom of the gift box. Then fold both side edges of the wrapping paper inward, making sure the edge with the double-sided tape is positioned on top. Carefully peel off the protective layer of the double-sided tape and press the two edges of the wrapping paper together to secure them. Do not remove all of the tape at once, only peel it up to the length of the gift box. Now, move on to the bottom of the gift box. Fold the wrapping paper at the base neatly, using the same method as standard gift wrapping. Place a small piece of double-sided tape on the surface of the folded paper like this. Finally, press it down to secure everything firmly in place. Now we move on to the remaining end of the wrapping paper. Fold it inward like this, making sure the paper is folded tightly against the gift box inside. Next, peel off the rest of the double-sided tape and press the paper down to secure this section firmly. At the end of the wrapping paper, fold the edge upward by about 1 centimeter to create a clean fold. Then flip the gift box over. On this side, continue folding the paper upward by another 1 centimeter. Repeat the same steps by turning the gift box and creating even, consistent folds all the way around. By the way, if you have watched until this point, please leave a comment with the name of your country or region. We would love to connect with you. After finishing all the folds, you will see the wrapping paper form a shape like this. Use a ribbon to tie around the gift box and hold all the folds securely in place. Cut off any excess ribbon to keep everything neat. Now the ribbon divides the folded sections into two parts. Apply a strip of double-sided tape to the side with the shorter folds. Gently lift these folded sections upward and press both sides together to secure them. At this point, your gift box is fully wrapped. It does not look overly complicated, but it has a nice highlight with two fan-like flaps on the top. Whether the gift box is big or small, you can use this wrapping method. It is a simple gift wrapping technique, but the final result is very impressive. And that brings us to the end of this gift wrapping tutorial. With just a few simple steps and a little creativity, you can turn an ordinary gift box into something much more special. Thank you for watching and spending your time with us. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more creative wrapping ideas. See you in the next video.